Hi, my name is Gerlani Ramirez Medina, chosen strategy market penetration. General definition is a strategy that aims to increase sales within a base in which the company already operates. The main idea is to increase its customers to generate competitiveness in the search to reach new consumers. Strategy proposal for the case. The strategy is mainly based on advertising its products on social networks and social media marketing. Discounts for the amount of purchase, discount on special dates, generating coupons valid only for its line of sausages. The idea that these sausages are a typical food that has a sense of belonging in the region should be increased, emphasizing that they do not have so many hormones or chemical process for their preparation. They are an organic food. In this way, it is possible to broaden the panorama of its consumers. Bye. Thank you.